Mabuhay si VP Inday Sara Duterte. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Mabuhay! Na ang mga organisasyon na nandito ngayon ay tuloy na susuporta sa kanya kay VP Sara Duterte.
Mabuhay kayong lahat. May God bless you.
Allow me to share with you my quote. This is my personal quote, and it runs this way. The Philippine government is no longer a public trust, but a public trust. Den of crocodiles and kingdom of syndicates. Do you agree with that? Yes! Yan ang sitwasyon natin ngayon. Di ba? Basura na ngayon tawag sa pera eh. Diba? Basura rin yung gobyerno natin dahil pinamumunuan ng mga sindikato. These words cut deep, but they are a wake-up call. Corruption is well entrenched, and it is suffocating our nation. Yet, in this fight for change, there is a beacon of hope, and that is Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Bakit mahina yung palakpakan? Isa pa! Her resilient, agile, and developmental RAD leadership isn't just a style. It is a movement. It's about breaking chains, fighting graft, and putting Filipino first. It's about bringing our country to greater heights and making it great again. Today, we launch a song I composed that embodies VP Sara's RAD leadership. A powerful tool to spread her vision across the country. This is not just a music. It is a rally cry for transparency, accountability, and progress. It is a reminder that together we can clean up the trust and build a government that truly serves. But this song is more than just an inspiration. It is a protection. As attacks rise, including the latest impeachment case meant to silence her 2028 presidential run, this anthem becomes an antidote. It's proof for VP Sara's impact, her resilience, and why she is the leader we direly need. To VP Inday Sara, your RAD leadership inspires us. Resilient means strong pero may malasakit. Matapang at di magpapalugi. Bounce back from any setback, and that is Inday Sara. Agile because she is decisive. Making tough calls fast or decide soundly in any given instant situation. Adapt or can adapt in any changing circumstances. Innovative, encourages new ideas. Development because she has a clear vision for the country. Capacitates or empowers people economically, educationally, with virtues or with values, politically, socially, culturally, spiritually, and inspires people to unleash their creative energies. These are the main reasons I composed a song for VP Sara. She's shown us that integrity, grit, and heart can move mountains. This song is a testament to that. Let's champion a future where leadership isn't about power, but about service. Not about greed, but about servanthood. Where greatness isn't a slogan, but a promise meant to be fulfilled. Not to deform a nation, but reform it for the betterment of the people. To all Filipinos, let's unite behind BP Inday Sara Duterte. Let's use this song to spread her message, counter the noise, and ignite a movement for real change. I admit, the fight is tough. But with BP Inday Sara Duterte as our RAD leader, we are tougher. Indeed, we will end up victorious. Mabuhay si BP Inday Sara Duterte! Mabuhay ang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay!
Gathering sa Inday para sa bayan ay this good night. And him of song si Dr. Ronald Adamat na siya i-launch na song and si Dang Imperial. So pag-click na lang to, BP. Mabasa man. Go na na, BP. Mabasa na na, BP.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng members ng Inday para sa Bayan, IPSB officers, Dr. Ronald Adamat.
Nag-compose ng song yan siya.
Salamat sa kanta na kinompose mo para sa akin.
Yes.
Ako ay truly proud na lagi ako nakakatanggap ng mga kanta na sulat ng mga kapwa ko Pilipino. At syempre kay Ma'am Dang Imperial. Maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyo na support. Mabuhay kayong lahat. May God bless you.
We are in a crossroads of history right now. And people like Dr. Adamat and the leaders who are here can really touch the hearts not only of our beloved Vice President, but likewise the Filipino people. Why do I say that? I say that because the present administration as well as the opposition can never make a gathering like this without spending a lot, right? Pero tayo lang na mga nagsusuporta at nagmamahal kay Tatay Digong, kay BP Sara, na in our own initiative, we are doing something in order to further the cause of our nation. And nakita natin, and very apt and appropriate, agila ng Pilipinas. Why do I say that it is apt? It is very apt to describe our leader because like an eagle, she indeed is bold and decisive. She is visionary. An eagle can look at its prey miles away with precision. And I hope and pray that like an eagle, our Vice President would truly become a president with precision. Precision in what? Precision in determining the problems of our nation and doing something to correct these problems. Alam naman natin na lunod na ang bayan natin sa korupsyon. Alam ko na kung yung ating Vice Presidente ay magiging presidente in the future, lahat po itong mga kurakot ngayon ay magsisitekuan. Sigurado po ako na ito po sila ay lilipunin at pupuksain ng agila ng bayan at siya po si Inday Sara Duterte. Tama ba ako? Kanina po sa binyag ng anak ng aking kaibigan, Jimmy Bondo, nagkausap po kami at inimbitahan niya akong umupo sa kanyang gilid kasi may pinag-uusapan na naman kami. Alam niyo naman na meron na naman ngayong challenge sa kanya. Meron na namang impeachment complaint na ipinail laban sa kanya. Kaya I am hoping and praying na ito pong ating organisasyon, mga organisasyon dito, ay tutulungan natin si VP Sara para puksain naman, labanan na naman itong panibagong challenge sa kanya. Kasi alam natin na ginagawa ito sa kanya para wala na sana silang kalaban sa 2028. Papayagan ba natin yan? Hindi natin papayagan yan. Lalabanan natin yan. At yun po ang aming pinag-uusapan po kanina. Kaya, ngayon pa lang, maghanda na po tayo. Yung ating mga bakos sa Binisaya pa, at tuuanan ning higtan. Nga naman, kaysa umaabot nga daw, in the few days from now, we will be up again to great challenges. And I hope and pray na ang mga organisasyon na nandito ngayon ay tuloy na susuporta sa kanya kay VP Sara Duterte. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po sa inyo.